Hey, welcome back! Today we're diving into the world of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. With security breaches everywhere, knowing how hackers think and the tools they use is more important than ever. Forget the big names, let's talk about the hidden gems, tools that quietly power advanced research and testing. I've handpicked 10 lesser-known but powerful hacking tools you can find on GitHub right now. Some find secrets, some scan, others do social engineering. But all are open source and game-changing. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about GitHub Dorks, a powerful technique that's become a favorite among both security professionals and hackers. If you've ever wondered how sensitive information accidentally ends up in the wild, GitHub Dorks is often the answer. This tool leverages advanced search queries to dig deep into public repositories, uncovering things like exposed API keys, hard-coded passwords, and configuration files that were never meant to see the light of day. It's like having a digital metal detector, sweeping through millions of lines of code, looking for hidden treasures, or in this case, digital gold that should have stayed buried. Instead of manually scrolling through endless repositories and commit histories, GitHub Dorks automates the process. It hunts for keywords like password, secret, or token in both code and commit messages, making the search lightning fast and incredibly thorough. What would take a human hours or even days, this tool can accomplish in minutes. The results can be shocking, and honestly, a little scary. You'd be amazed at how much sensitive data is just sitting out there waiting to be found. From private credentials to entire database connection strings, the sheer volume of exposed information is a wake-up call for anyone who writes or manages code. Security researchers use GitHub Dorks to audit their own projects and help organizations patch vulnerabilities before attackers find them. But in the wrong hands, these same techniques can be used for malicious purposes, making it a double-edged sword that highlights the importance of proactive security. The key takeaway? Just because your code is public doesn't mean it's safe. In fact, public repositories are often the first place attackers look for mistakes. GitHub Dorks is a stark reminder of why good code hygiene and secrets management are absolutely essential. Regularly scanning your repositories, using environment variables, and never hard-coding sensitive data are best practices everyone should follow. So, before you hit that commit button, pause and double-check your files. Remember, someone, somewhere, might be running a tool like GitHub Dorks right now. Don't make it easy for them. Protect your secrets and keep your digital gold safe. Next is EvilURL. This tool helps you spot and even generate lookalike domains using homoglyphs, characters that look identical but aren't. Think gzo0gel.com or swapping an O for a Cyrillic letter, tricks that fool even careful users. EvilURL generates phishing variants for any domain, helping security teams defend against attacks. Some companies even register these lookalikes to protect their brand. If you're training for phishing awareness, EvilURL is a must-have. Let's talk about TruffleHog, a powerful tool that's become essential for developers and security teams everywhere. In today's world, where code is constantly being written, shared, and pushed to public and private repositories, the risk of accidentally exposing sensitive information is higher than ever. TruffleHog steps in as a vigilant guardian, scanning your code for secrets you might not even realize you've left behind. This tool is designed to find secrets, like API keys, passwords, and other confidential credentials, that sometimes accidentally end up in code repositories. These secrets can be hidden in plain sight, buried deep within thousands of lines of code, or tucked away in old commits that are easy to overlook. TruffleHog works by scanning GitHub repositories and commit histories for high-entropy strings, which are often indicators of passwords, tokens, or cryptographic keys. It doesn't just look at the latest code, but digs through the entire history, hunting for anything that looks suspicious or sensitive. The tool is impressively fast, capable of scanning thousands of lines of code in just seconds. This speed means you can integrate it into your workflow without slowing down development, making security checks a seamless part of your process. For developers and cybersecurity professionals, TruffleHog acts as a crucial last line of defense before secrets are accidentally made public. It's a safety net that catches what human eyes might miss, especially in large, fast-moving projects. TruffleHog can alert you instantly if it detects sensitive data, giving you the chance to fix issues proactively, before you push your code and potentially expose secrets to the world. Prevention is always better than cleanup. Once a secret is leaked, the damage can be hard to contain. TruffleHog helps you avoid that scenario entirely by catching problems early. That's why it's a best practice to always scan your code with TruffleHog before committing. Make it a routine part of your workflow, just like running tests or code reviews. Remember, secrets and source control are a ticking time bomb. One accidental push can lead to a major security breach. With TruffleHog, you have a reliable way to defuse that risk and keep your projects secure. Now, let's move on to SEN1per, a powerful tool designed to make reconnaissance and penetration testing as simple as possible, even for those just starting out in cybersecurity. SEN1per automates the entire process of penetration testing and reconnaissance. With just a single click, it can scan entire networks, domains, and identify vulnerabilities, all within a streamlined workflow. This means you don't have to manually configure multiple tools or scripts. SEN1per brings everything together in one place, saving you valuable time and effort. Whether you need a quick scan for a fast overview or a deep reconnaissance for a thorough analysis, SEN1per has you covered. It can enumerate subdomains, detect open ports, and even identify potential exploits that could be used against your systems. This level of detail is crucial for both attackers and defenders, as it reveals the true security posture of your network. One of SEN1per's standout features is its ability to integrate seamlessly with other popular cybersecurity tools. This makes it a central piece in any hacker's or security professional's toolkit, allowing for more comprehensive assessments and streamlined workflows. The user-friendly interface is designed with beginners in mind, guiding users step by step through the process of scanning and analyzing results. This makes SEN1per not only a tool for professionals, but also an excellent learning platform for those new to cybersecurity. For defenders, SEN1per offers a unique perspective. It allows you to see your infrastructure through the eyes of an attacker. By understanding what vulnerabilities are visible to outsiders, you can prioritize your defenses and address the most critical issues first. Running regular scans with SEN1per helps you stay ahead of potential threats. By identifying and patching vulnerabilities before they're exploited, you significantly reduce your risk of a security breach. In summary, SEN1per not only saves time by automating complex tasks, but also delivers clear, actionable results that help you strengthen your security posture and respond proactively to emerging threats. Osmedeus is the Swiss Army knife of automated scanning. Its modularity lets you pick which scans to run: subdomains, open directories, vulnerabilities, and more. Plug-and-play modules mean you can customize your workflow easily. Osmedeus chains multiple tools together, generating organized reports for teams or clients. For red teamers and bug bounty hunters, it's a game changer. Open source and always evolving, Osmedeus lets you focus on strategy, not setup. It's like having a scanning team on your laptop. Fans of Mr. Robot, this one's for you. Fsociety is an all-in-one hacking toolkit inspired by the show, bundling tools for password attacks, network scanning, and social engineering. The interface mimics the series, but it's not just for show. It wraps up effective open-source tools for both beginners and pros. Great for those starting out in cybersecurity, offering a ready-made environment to experiment and learn. Accessibility is a huge plus, but remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Fsociety is for learning. Misuse can cause real damage. Always stay ethical. Let's talk about Routersploit. As more devices go online, embedded device security is a huge concern. Routersploit tests vulnerabilities in routers and IoT devices, scanning for default credentials and weak configurations. Its interface is like Metasploit, but tailored for embedded targets. Routers are often overlooked, but are prime targets for attackers. Routersploit helps you find weak points before someone else does. It's a wake-up call for manufacturers and consumers. Too many devices ship with default passwords. If you're in IoT or want to secure your network, try Routersploit. Now for one of the most powerful tools, the Social Engineer Toolkit, or SET. SET automates social engineering attacks for training and testing, phishing, credential harvesting, and more. It walks you through crafting emails and cloning websites for realistic simulations. Red teams and trainers use it to show how convincing attacks can be. Used ethically, SET raises awareness and helps people recognize threats. If you're training a team or want to see social engineering in action, SET is indispensable. Always get consent. Never use it on unsuspecting targets. Number 9 is Subdomain, all about mapping hidden corners of the internet. Subdomains can reveal staging servers or admin portals, gold for attackers. Subdomain is fast, enumerating hundreds of subdomains in seconds from multiple sources. Bug bounty hunters and pentesters use it to spot weak points before attackers do. Lightweight and command line based, it gives actionable results right away. Plays well with other tools for deeper analysis. If you're serious about recon, Sublisther is essential. Last but not least, Metagoofil. This tool extracts metadata from public documents, PDFs, Word files, PowerPoints, to build a profile of a target. It crawls websites for downloadable docs, scanning for usernames, software versions, and file paths. That data is a goldmine for attackers planning targeted attacks. For defenders, Metagoofil shows how much info your documents might leak. Simple to use, it gives a clear report of what's exposed. Metadata matters. Metagoofil reveals what's at risk. There you have it, 10 hidden hacker tools on GitHub you probably never knew existed. With great power comes great responsibility. Use these tools ethically and always get permission. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more cybersecurity deep dives. Did any tool surprise you? Drop a comment with your favorite or suggest one for a future video. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.